their face here. And not right now. I'm trying out funny ways to target. But how would you like this one? And the keto, or this one? Ever the cup or a tea? Or this one? Yeah. Day 2, because the next show is about to start right here on the video. Do. Oh, I'm so sorry, people guys. One of the most is stuck in it again. I promise you. Yeah, it's me. And that's all the time what we have in the tuna. Because for today. So, I see you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. Hey, that is a good one. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. Not right now. It's time for me to say goodbye. So long. I'll see you tomorrow. And if you like it to watch the next Junior video, we're gonna see your nightmare once again. No.
All done. Okay, up.
You tomorrow, right here on next Junior video. Do.
Come on, Jacob.
What? No.